Enyanja ya Edward nebaganwa aho ihange rya Uganda n'obucweka 25 harigana kandi ihange rya Congo nerutwara obucweka 75 harigana. Meja Steven Arituha orukujunanizibwa n'ebikwetwa aha nyanja ya Edward aharimwe emyaro nka Katwe, Rwenshama, Kisenyi, Kayanja hamwe na Kazinga yo nerikushangwa mu district ya Kasese, Rubirizi hamwe na Rukungiri yahamya amakuru agukwatwa kw'abakungu aba.
Of course they had crossed from their side, the Ugandan side. They are 24 in number. Yeah, they are 24 in number. With all those luggages you are seeing, that means they had come to stay on water, not to go. So, and you know, the effects of sleeping on water, they sleep in their boats as they are capturing fish.
Ogunagira ngo ebintu barukwatwa nabyo byona barukushoha nibyokibwa.
The other week, I captured some and I released them and have their gears with me. Of course, the right gears. The illegal ones, we ban them. And the right ones, like the boats and the engines, we give them a few, like 2 boats, take them back. And then the rest, we don't give them back. We impound them for some few days or a week.
John Bosco Kananoro meya wa Katwe Kabatoro wenaterero murangi ihange rya Congo kortekaho emiringo eri yakubasa kurinda mu nyanja yaryo.
So umuranga ndukuterera abagenzi baitu abebembeza harubaju rwa Congo babaze n'abantu babo baregulating enyanja yabo basobole nabo kulinda cyuhangwe cy'enyanja nuko turabantu so hatu tsohe beitu kandi tsohe ntumanya ngutulekeramu nemigigende rukwije.
Sufurire mu mbere omumba shoyikorwa mu ihanga rya Congo nagira ngo kiri kubareto miza ga Uganda no kugira ngo munyanje yo wabo ebyenyanja tabirumu.
Kwanane ai twabirebe pabreta sakekeri ya maisha kale kanaru etwa republiki toma bike anukonda area security samaki
no kwato mu Congo no lekora omunya Uganda guno twalenka so kandi no sanga ngo abantu abengi abatuku abakusoha kayora ubwiro bumumba bambaye karane itwe
bitu ni nsima bwikora tiro hamahi kusinga muno His Excellency Mugozi wa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aho kiroto cyatongera kurana garamu y'PDF mezi
ogutumurundo gwo kubanza bebyo kwerinda barukwata abashohaba abarukugamba ku bantu bakora munongo mbwire gwekero gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.